Hello, good morning, guys. Just finished listening to the live. It was a great show, and I just want to do a recap and share this with you what was discussed. So, Jim Cramer did talk about that the Fed. There was an article that came out this morning that the Fed does not want to be the reason why the midterm election has been switched, and he was saying that during midterm election, stocks always does better around after the midterm election. So they might just tamper the rate hikes. So there is a possibility that that's why stocks are doing very, very well. But again, he did talk about the banks, and we're going to look at the banks. He think that, as you know, the club Dubai have in their portfolio, they have Wells Fargo, but I think Morgan Stanley is cheaper. So I'm going to just share the chart of Morgan Stanley with you right now. So it is at $77. It's up $77.68. It's a good stock to get into. It has a 3% dividend, guys. So consider buying some Morgan Stanley. Another stock that they discussed a little bit this morning, it was Snap, and they were saying that Snap is not really a company, and investors are moving their money elsewhere into other advertising stream like Google and Amazon. So as you can see, Snap's been down, Snap been struggling. So guys, if you don't consider buying Snap, I would advise you to stay away from Snap. Let me just keep going. They did talk about the oil and how the oil is continuing to rising. Halliburton. I still have Pioneer Natural Resources in my portfolio, and they think that oil is going higher. But the main thing they did talk about this morning was Danaher. And I'm going to share Danaher with you because they think that people that are selling Danaher does not understand the business. And me, myself, would consider adding some more to my Danaher portfolio. You see that here we got Danaher at 243, guys. So let me just, so you guys, Danaher is a good stock, as you can see here. 243.40, guys. So they did consider that Danaher. It's keep going back up. It was like 239 this morning. So consider buying Danaher. So guys, as I said before, I'm gonna leave all the links so you could go and look at the video in its entirety, and you can also join me on Patreon. I will leave that link in the description. So anyway, guys, thank you. Consider buying Danaher. Consider buying stocks like Coterra. I think Coterra is an oil, 50% oil, 50% gas, and it is a little bit down to this. So consider picking up some stocks, guys, when they are at this low. And he is saying that companies that are reporting just before I go next week. Ford should be reporting next week. Microsoft should be reporting next week. Amazon and Apple should be reporting next week, and Alphabet. All these companies should be reporting next week, guys. So kind of stay tuned if you're on my Patreon. Look out for those articles I've been selling every day, different articles of different stock that the club buy. So anyway, guys, thank you for joining the live, and I'll see you on Monday, same time, same place. See you guys.